Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is the part 2 video of Kcet rank versus marks. So before starting the video, if you're visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be getting the notification. So let's start the video. So the most awaited video, Kcet rank versus marks 2023. So we have created a detailed analysis of Kcet rank versus marks so that after watching this full video, you will be getting a complete idea of what rank you will be getting. So based upon 2022, we have created this chart. The chart contains 3 columns. One is your PUC marks, second one is your Kcet marks, and third one is your rank. So let's start with the first slot, that is 290k to 300k. If your PUC marks are around 290k to 300k and your Kcet marks are above 100, then you will be getting below 5000 rank. That's for sure. Your marks are 100 plus, then you will be getting below 5000k. If your marks are 90 plus, then you will be getting a rank around 5k to 10k. If your marks are 80 plus, then 10k to 20k, 70 plus 20k to 25k, 60 plus 25k to 31k, 50 plus 31k to 45k. So you might have a difference of 1k to 2k, but you will be getting a rank in this range, that is 90 to 100% sure. So let's move to the second slot. The second slot is of 280 to 290 marks in your PUC, and 100. If you have 100 plus, then you will be getting a rank below 8k. If 90 plus, then 80k to 12k, 80 to 90 range 15k to 25k, 70 to 80 range then 25k to 31k, 60 to 70 range then 31k to 43k, 50 to 60 range then 43k to 53k. So this will be what your ranks will be. Let's move to the third slot, that is of your PUC marks 270 to 280. If your PUC marks are 270 to 280 and you score 100 plus in your Kcet, then you will be getting a rank below 9k. If 90 plus, then 9k to 15k, 80 to 70 marks, then 15k to 23k, 70 to 80 marks, 26k to 38k, 60 to 50 marks, then you will be getting a rank around 40k to 48k. Then 50 plus, you will be getting a rank around 50k to 60k. Now let us move to the fourth slot. The fourth slot contains your PUC marks from 260 to 270. If your marks are in the range of 260 to 270 and you have a score of 100 plus in your Kcet, then you will be getting a rank below 10k. 90 to 100 marks, then 10k to 16k, 80 to 90, 16k to 28k, 70 to 80, 30k to 39k, 60 to 70, 40k to 54k, and above 50 you will be getting a rank above 60k. Let us move to the fifth slot, that is 260 marks to 270 marks, 250 marks. If your marks in the PUC are 260 to 250 and in Kcet it's 100 plus, then you will be getting a rank below 12k. If it's 90 to 100, then it's 12k to 18k, 80 plus 18k to 29k, 70 plus 32k to 43k, 60 plus 45k to 55k, above 65k when your marks are 50 plus. Let us move to the last slot, that is 240 to 250. If your marks are in the range of 240 to 250 and henceforth the maximum students score in this range in the PUC. So if your marks in Kcet are 100 plus, then you will be getting a rank below 16k. If your marks are 90 plus, then 16k to 26k, 80 plus 26k to 38k, 70 plus 40k to 50k, and so on. You will be getting this type of ranks. So the most competition range is the slot number 3rd. In the slot number 3rd, there will be the most competition between the students because most of them score around 270 to 280 in their boards and around 70 to 80 in their Kcet. So your ranks will be 26k to 38k, and the variation also happens more in this range. Okay, so these are your KCT rank versus marks, and these are 90 to 98%, 100% sure. Okay, you will be getting this type of ranks. There will be a slight change of 1k to 2k in your ranks, but you can get a rank in this range only. So now let us tell you a real example. So last year one of our juniors scored 280 in their PUC and also scored 72 marks in KCT. So he was allotted a rank of 31k. So according to some of our juniors and according to the analysis of 2022 ranks, we have created this chart, and so on. You can prefer this chart and you will be getting to know what rank you will be getting in your KCT results. So this much in the video. We'll be soon bringing the part 3, and in part 3 we will show you some real examples of KCT rank versus marks, and also you can comment down to the comment section your marks in PUC and your marks in KCT. We'll try to answer the rank. We'll give you the rank, so please comment, and we'll be soon bringing the part 3 video in which we will show you some of the examples of students who scored marks in the last year and how much rank they were getting last year. So soon we'll be bringing this new video. Please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss that video. This much in the video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing.